Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Let's continue from where we left last time. Okay, I shared some of the best practices on preparing for getting into Metro City and trying to build your career and future there. So let's do a little deep dive into those same tips and see what it makes sense, whether it makes sense or not. Okay, fine. Okay, uh, we spoke about making a list of applicable jobs for your areas of interest, and this is one step. Good. Now you can further expand this. Any job that is listed in your whatever collection you have made so far, go ahead and collect job description for that. For that, you can go ahead and try in various portals, be it LinkedIn or Naukri or Shine, or many of them are there. Just start downloading job descriptions. So this becomes your next collection, and in that job descriptions, try and look for what kind of technical skills they are looking at, functional skills they are looking at, and communication skills. Okay, that is must and should, as I mentioned already. These three skills you must be ready with. And technical and functional skills, try and see how many of those terminologies you understand, because everything is coming from the academia that you have studied, the courses that you have studied. What we look for in the industries, you must be really strong in basics. You need to understand what it means for us. So if I take a computer science student, I would expect him to know what is operating system, how many types of operating systems are there, what is RAM, what is hardware, okay, and what is cloud computing. Okay, those are things we really expect you to know, and we can still build on top of that. That's the expectation. And in addition to that, you need to be really good at analytical skills, and problems that you are going to solve will be given as a scenario, and you need to think and go ahead and crack them using your knowledge. There are various resources available on internet. You don't need to worry about that, but you must be ready with that. Creating a list of your jobs, then connected job descriptions. Now please go ahead and discuss these job descriptions with your professors, your teachers, your friends, and some of the people who are already settled in cities who are working. Call them and discuss and try and gather more and more information about the job descriptions, and then you will have a mind map of what it would look like to be in industry and how I need to prepare. So that part you should not forget, and you can take it forward. And coming to the physical preparation, like other gadgets that you need to have, okay, I want you to have one good laptop. Okay, this is must. You cannot do everything on your mobile, it's very cumbersome. Please go ahead and look for one laptop. It can be old one, refurbished one, or new one. Anything is fine, but you must be equipped with one laptop, right? That's must and should. There are many companies which give away old laptops, and maybe at a discounted rate or donation. Please approach your friends and try to get hang of one such laptop, okay, and then you can start using that. So please do everything that is needed for your career on your laptop, not on mobile. It's not a sustainable model, right? Because you get distracted on the mobile. There are lots of apps running there, but on laptop you can be very focused and do your own work. So that is one must and should. And last one is about financial preparation. We need to know how much it costs to survive and live in a bigger city, and have an idea how much money is required and how will I survive. Is it enough if I have this much money, or should I do some part-time job, or should I make some arrangement for the investment that is needed? So look for funding for first 6 months to 9 months. That's what it is required to survive in these cities, and have a plan about that. Don't come to bigger cities without having all these plans. Please do sufficient groundwork. Please have your own plan, discuss it with your friends, review it once, twice, thrice, and come mentally prepared, okay? Because you can very easily get drained out in these cities. So the last point, a very important point, you need to be very motivated and self-sustained until you get your job. That motivation is really, really important. As I said, you had one mentor in your city, you need to have one more mentor or more mentors in the bigger cities, because it's going to be bigger challenges to handle. Here you are not coming here to study or anything. Here you are designing your life on day-to-day basis. Every minute, every second you are designing. Do not lose that precious time that you are spending here. It should be focused on your career and life and future. So we wish you all the best. There will be more and more valuable inputs that I'll be sharing here. But for now, I'm signing off. I would be looking forward for your comments. What did you do after watching my videos? Did you take those actions? And what is that you're looking for from me? Okay. Thank you so much. See you again in the next video. Thank you.